Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am doing a video on a glam look with this Jackie Aina palette. Listen, put it in the frame. First off, the packaging is beautiful on this thing. Second of all, I know there's been like some YouTube drama or whatever. I have no idea what that's even about because I'm not part of that drama. I know that I've been following Jackie since she was Little Pumpkin Pie 05, okay? I actually created one of her looks back then, and I will put like a picture of what I did. It was, guys, right now, if I look back at that time, it was absolutely terrible. But I didn't think it was at the time. I thought I was doing my thing. You know, my eyebrows looked like Nike checks. It was a mess, but I thought it was cute. So anyway, today I'm gonna do this glam look. We're supposed to be going to the Rose Mansion in a little bit, and I'm gonna use this palette and get ready. I don't have much time, so I have about maybe a half hour to get ready before the girls come. And yeah, that's it. The colors in here are very pretty. I don't even know what look I'm gonna do. I'm wearing a pink, blue, green. I have like almost all these colors right now on my dress, and I'll show you like terrible at this. Okay, so anyway, I am rambling, so I'm gonna get started. That was the palette itself, and I think I'm gonna bring you guys a little lower because so anyway, I'm going to start with the palette and kind of give you what I think of it as I go along. Okay? Bye. Now I'm just starting off with a fluffy brush, and I'm going to go into the color Edges. That's the one I'm pretty much going to use right now. I don't have any concealer on my eyes, so let me do that first. I'm going to just use ColourPop. I think this is the lighter concealer, so my other concealer, my Makeup Revolution one that I normally cut my crease with, is upstairs, and I am not about to go back upstairs to get anything right now because I have a half hour to do this makeup look, and I am not here for it. That brush is not the one I want. I'm going to use this brush right now. So I'm just using like a flat shader brush to blend in the crease. All over my lid actually, not just my crease. My eyebrows. I should have got my eyebrows done, guys. They look a hot holy mess. So when I do my brows, they'll look better, but right now they look terrible. Okay. So this is just going to be used to like prime my eyes. That's really it. I'm looking at a mess. Okay, so and that I did that, I'm just going to take a fluffy brush and go into the color Edges. Let me see. Oh, it's pretty pigmented, and I feel like it's going to be a little bit of fallout. That's okay. Okay. Wow. Okay. Well, that color is beautiful. I always start with like a transition shade of this red brickish color. This is very pretty though. Actually, I'm gonna bring you guys closer. Hold on a second. Okay, so now I'm going in with the same thing on the other side. I don't like what I see that it's like trying to crease. ColourPop. Okay. So I'm trying to bring this all the way up to my lid. Now I'm gonna go in with the color, actually purple. So I'm gonna use Big Wig. I'm gonna put that into my crease. Same brush. Just gonna. Oh yeah. Okay. Now I'm gonna use another brush, and I'm gonna go in with the color Supreme, which is a light pink, and I'm gonna put it above that crease color. Hopefully they blend pretty good. And I'm gonna use my I'm sorry, whoops. I'm gonna use Maybelline Superstay, and I'm gonna cut my crease with this. And hopefully that works because it's not necessarily light enough, but we'll see. Now I'm using that same brush, I just cleaned it off, and I'm gonna go into Wiggle East. I like Zam too, but I'm gonna go in with Wiggle East. Let's see. Add that on. Let's pick up a little bit more of that. There we go. Ooh. Okay. I'm gonna pick this brush back up and go in with Pinker, I think, and I'm gonna try to blend this out. So that's pretty much gonna complete this look. I'll probably put like Zam in the corner, in the inner corner, because it's so pretty. Soleil is also pretty. Oh, I could take this and pat on Zam. You think let's just do it. I mean, why not? Let's see what happens. Ooh. And then I'm going to use my Anastasia Beverly Hills liner. I'm gonna pause you guys because I cannot put liner on camera. Trust me, it's just not gonna work. And then I'll be back. So I'm back, and I did my liner and lashes off camera, as you can see. Just wanna make sure my lashes are good. And now I'm gonna go in and complete my full face. So I'm not even gonna talk for this. I'm just gonna go through this quickly because I think it is 1:49 and it's supposed to be here by 2 or 2:30. So it's gonna take me longer than 15 minutes to do this. Okay, so I'm gonna just do this as a talk through. First, I'm using the Benefit Professional, and then I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Blur Stick to minimize my pores. The Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage Concealer for under my eyes, my nose, my forehead, and that huge pimple that you see on my lip. Yeah, for that too. After I blend that out, I'm going to use my Lancome Tint Foundation, and I'll put down below what shade it is because I'm not 100% sure, but this makes my face look like silk. Now this time I'm going in with my ColourPop concealer, and I'm just going over the areas I want to highlight again. It's a little bit lighter, but not too much, to see if it makes my under eye pop. Now I'm going in with my Maybelline Medium Deep Fit Me powder, and I'm just putting this in the areas that I highlighted in my face. After that, I'm going in with my MAC Studio Fix powder, and I'm just setting everything on my face. And I'm going in with my Fenty Mocha Mami, and I'm just really bronzing my face up. So here I'm just cleaning up my brows, and I use the LA Pro concealer, and I think I use Fawn. I'll just put it down below, of course. And I use Benefit Cabral in the color 4.5. If you guys want to see another tutorial on that, let me know. For highlighter, I'm using Hustler Baby by Fenty and putting this everywhere where, like my cheeks, my nose. And now I am using my NYX pencil. I'll tell you the color below. The center lip color is Abu Dhabi, and I filled that in with a gloss from Fenty, and I'll put that down below as well. For my inner tear ducts, I'm just going in with the Hustler Baby again from Fenty, and I'm just spraying my face with the Morphe Continuous Spray, fixing my baby hairs, of course. And that completes this look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, guys, so this is my completed look. I really, really like it. I think it looks very pretty. My dress is, like I said, it has multiple colors. It's blue, reddish. This is not really red. It's like kind of orange. And I really like it. So I think I would spend the money just because she is a woman of color, and I am very big on supporting Black-owned businesses. So I definitely would support it. The colors blended really well. They look really good on my skin. And overall, I'm happy with it. So I don't know what the drama was on YouTube. I don't know, because I'm really not part of, like, I'm a small YouTuber. I'm not a huge YouTuber with millions and millions of views. But, yes, I should say. But again, I think her palette was great. And it looks amazing on my skin. I try to use as many colors as possible. So in the palette, I actually used Soleil, Zam, Supreme, Pinker, Wigglese, Big Wig, that's Jonathan, Edges, Ginger, and Credit. I used almost all of them. I didn't use a few of them, but for the most part, this palette, I would recommend it to anybody. So yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.